This is my iPhone XS Max, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop it from 6.5 feet. Let's check it out, see what happens. What's up everybody? My name is Sean, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're visiting, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you enjoy this content, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification, and smack that like button. Today, we're talking about a shockproof slim silicone case by a company called Jasbon. Let's check it out. So these silicone cases are by a company called Jasbon, and they sent me a couple of cases, one for a XS Max and one for 10R. I have my XS Max here, so we're gonna go ahead and check out the fit and finish, and I'm gonna show you these cases. So these cases, they come in 4 different colors. They have them in red, black, yellow, and pink, and I have the red and black model here. So let's open them up and we're gonna check them out. They send some cleaning cloth as well as screen protector, so that way you have the protection all the way around. Very nice packing. In this package you get the case itself as well as a glass protector that it comes with it. You have a small cord and screen protector accessories. Maybe this is for you to clean the screen and apply the protector on. So let's try to put this on. So I have the Apple silicone case here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and we can do a side-by-side comparison as well. Right off the bat, I could tell you there is one major difference between the two. If you look at the bottom, you have the Apple case open at the bottom, but the Jasbon covers protection all the way around. Initially, that wasn't that big of a deal for me, but after a while, I'm start having some hairline scratches at the bottom of it, just simply putting it in my pocket and take it out. So I really like that piece. And the second thing I notice is the case is definitely thicker, and maybe that's why they're able to say this is a shockproof case. As a matter of fact, they claim you can drop this from 2 meters, which is over 6 feet high. And we're gonna check that out as well. Inside, they have a very nice microfiber cloth. It's actually softer than the Apple's microfiber lining inside. The cuts seem to be very precise, and we're gonna put it in the phone and see how it fits. For installation, always we're gonna put the top first and push the bottom in. This is a very nice snug fit. And I can see that the buttons still feel very clicky. They have a 2 millimeter lip all the way around, which is more than what Apple case offers. And it seems slightly, like I said, thicker and heavier, and that's going to offer a really good protection. Also, the liquid silicone material they have used, it offers a very silky feel. It's certainly different from the Apple's case. This one is soft but yet very grippy, so definitely feels really good in your hand. And also they claim that it is very easy to clean any writing marks or stains just using some alcohol wipe from the case. Also, just like many other cases, this offers wireless charging as well. So when you put it on your wireless charger, it's going to charge without causing any problems, even though it's a little bit thicker. So there you have it, guys. These are the cases by Jasbon, silicone shockproof. They retail about $15, $16 depending on the size and the color that you're getting. And I gotta tell you, compared to the Apple case, I like how it feels in your hand much better. It's a very silky touch. and I like the microfiber lining inside. Actually, it is softer than Apple's. The cuts are really nice where the buttons and openings are. I like the fact that the bottom, like I said, is covered, and it can absorb shocks a little bit better because of having thicker lips all the way around, as well as having thicker silicone material compared to the Apple case. I've been using it for a couple of minutes, and I gotta tell you, I personally like it. I'm gonna use this for my daily driver, see how it feels. And for the price, for only $15–16 compared to an Apple case, it's a bargain. I'm going to include the link down in the description below. Let me know what kind of case are you using, and if you end up purchasing one of these, how do you like it? I'd like to keep that conversation going. If you're still watching, thank you so much. It definitely means a lot to me. If you enjoy this content, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification, and smack that like button. I wish you a very happy day. Thanks for watching.